this?
It's not coming in.
Yeah?
I don't like that. Light off. I'm not gonna
Where's your light?
see anything.
Oops.
I don't know. It's in the car somewhere. I'm not even gonna be able to see to lock the door.
Closing the unit forever. So yeah, so this is, you had only one and I had two. I guess I did.
I don't know why you would carry two of the same key here. That's
Yep,
redundant.
I don't know.
I only carried one house key on my key ring.
Okay. Well, I got two of them. That's
I
it.
guess you get to get rid of more keys than I do now.
Okay. So, and I have the envelope. So, we're just gonna put it here.
I would call that an envelope as opposed to the
And
envelope.
I will write down.
You should write something on it, yes.
Yep. You just put it over here. Oh, done.
Gone.
Done. Okay, so hold on. So this is done. So we just dropped off the key from our apartment and now we're officially homeless.
We're not homeless. We just upgraded ourselves. We upgraded.
Yeah.
Yes. We stopped at the fish camp after the test failed and we talked it over. And
That was a
That's
impulse decision.
that's when we decided.
That was an impulse decision.
Impulse buy.
Impulse buy.
All right. How about in December when we put the deposit in? When we went to the bank together and did the wire on like Christmas Eve. Actually, I think it was the 23rd, I believe. I think it was December 23rd that we sent the wire
Ooh.
for the deposit.
That was impulse.
Impulse wire.
Christmas present.
Yeah.
Christmas influence. Well, it's all done.
Actually, I should have gone out the other way.
Now we will be back onto the boat.
God, that sounds like hail.
Oh, it is.
Is
It is hail.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, that's not good. Let's close that. Oh, close it.
It's not coming in.
Yeah.
I don't like that. Hail. Seriously?
Oh my God. How big it is.
That's like pea size, or a little larger than pea size.
Oh.
Chickpea hail. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my God. Oh my God. We're abandoning the water.
We're aligning to the wind.
Oh, that's scary. Where this came from?
Global warming. I wonder what the wind speed is.
Oh my God.
That's fast.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Woo. Can you close this now?
That's the worst of it, maybe. That was some nasty wind. You see that?
I'm losing my battery.
Yeah. It's clear right
But
to the
it's...
east. Oh, there's a good
Oh,
one.
I missed it.
Cool.
But it's dark over there on the other side. Still dark. Hold on.